Hello friends, on this video how you can solve your internet problem on Infinix Smart. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first friends, here you have to move on setting. When you move on setting, you can scroll on the down, or here you can directly search for reset. Okay, reset network. And before you do this, before you fix your internet problem friends, do not forget to update your system. Okay, click on special function, then after that from here scroll on the down. I think there is no system update, then here you can just move on system, and from here you can find the system update icon. And if you don't get the system update, then here is the search setting, you can search for the system update, and here you just tap on system. Okay, again after you update your system, from here you have to move on reset phone. And friends, before you do these steps, do not forget to check your network or mobile phone. Who knows your mobile phone problem or your network problem? That's why you should check it first. Okay, so here tap on reset Wi-Fi setting and click on reset. If you reset this one, your Wi-Fi problem, mobile data problem, Bluetooth problem, this is just included. Even internet problem, network problem, this will all fix. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.